Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase project management skills with Wrike easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Wrike account if you don't have one already. Visit the Wrike website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once your account is created, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main interface. Note the key features on the left sidebar, including projects, tasks, and reports. Create a new project by clicking on the plus icon next to projects. Name your project and provide a brief description. Set a start and end date to help outline your project timeline. Next, add tasks to your project by clicking Add Task. Clearly define each task with a title and description. Assign team members to specific tasks by clicking on the Assignee option. Set deadlines for each task to keep your team on track. Utilize Wrike's Gantt chart feature for a visual representation of your project timeline. Drag and drop tasks to adjust their timelines as needed. Monitor progress by checking the status of each task. Encourage collaboration by using the comments section on each task. Attach documents and files directly to relevant tasks for easy access. Use Wrike's time tracking feature to log hours spent on each task. Review the reports section to analyze team productivity and project performance. Adjust workloads based on insights gathered from these reports. Incorporate Wrike templates for future projects to streamline your process. Leverage the Wrike integrations with other tools you use. Continuously seek feedback from your team to enhance your project management approach. Engage in Wrike's community or resources for further learning. By following these steps, you will progressively increase your project management skills using Wrike. Make it a habit to explore new features as they become available. Practice regularly to solidify your skills and boost your effectiveness as a project manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.